Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, how's it going tonight? Yeah, we're chilling right here, MOJO Day Trading. Shoot on over to the main screen, see what's there. Nothing. Snare, he not in here as a bone, so he's not a desktop not available. Now my desktop shows. Cheers, everybody. How's it going tonight? What's going on there, Mr. Boggs? What's going on, Adelie? What's going on? Yeah, Pro Trader Snare. He may come in tonight. I got the camera going on. Bobo Snare right now. What's going on? Chilling with the Adelie and Boggs, about the only guys around. What's going on? See who's going on in the Mojo room. Got an update ready for the Mojo. Right here in the corner. Update ready. There we go. I also been doing some nice mining, some good Bitcoin buying. I caught a nice bottom on Bitcoin. Show you that. Yo, the Mojo room's back up. Got an update now on the Mojo room. Cool. Crypto picks. I don't know if you've seen this. So this is Bitcoin SV. This is the daily. Started out here at like $50. And went right to 100. Went up 100%. Don't know if you've seen that. But that's Bitcoin SV. Which is better store of value long term? Gold is down 33% since 2011. Bitcoin's up 140,000 since 2000. No, it's not. It's 28,000. This chart's wrong. This September 15th. Price November 8th. Percentage increase 85%. EOS 364 XLM 1000. Wow. Yeah, that Gerardo. So I bought Bitcoin right here at the 37.50 dip for the shining trade play, and I'm going to take it up into rail grind right now to hold my profits. That's real easy. I'll show you what that is. That's the basis of today's show. So here's the dip under 4,000. Bitcoin interest, I like it at 40 cents and 41. I'm mining that. I'm mining Bitcoin Diamond, BCD. And I'm mining Micro Bitcoin. I'm mining 3 of them. I'll show you. This is my Micro Bitcoin. I've mined 100,000 Micro Bitcoin. Total pending. I only have a couple of miners on it, but I've made 100,000 Micro Bitcoin. And Micro Bitcoin is right here. I'm mining Snow Gem again. Right here. I think it's going to make a bounce. Snow Gem. I just started. I sold it up here at the tippy. Now I'm mining it again here, and I'll sell it up in here. So this is I got some in already, 168. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell this right here what is this, 0924 by 098. Let's check out what the last couple of orders, 098, 09, yeah, okay, they're buying this. So I could put a sell right here at 0920. I'll sell 168. So now my order's right there, 168 at 0920. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy micro Bitcoin. So I'm mining Snow Gem, selling it, buying more micro Bitcoin for a 200 to 500% move on micro Bitcoin from where it is right now. And here's micro Bitcoin. It's 3 by 4. No, it's 3 by 6 now. Shit. So it's going to pop up right here, dudes, on the bot. I want it to go back up just right into this level is 9. That right there is a 300% gain. So I love the micro Bitcoin right here. I'm going to buy some at 4. So I'm going to actually sell this at the market. Let's go back to XSG. I'm just going to get out of this so I could buy the other now because it's at a really good price. So I'm going to cancel that. I'm just going to sell this right here. Sell at the market. 168. Done. So I sold that. Now I got a balance of Bitcoin. Now I can go back to micro Bitcoin and I could bid 4 for micro Bitcoin and I could buy 38,309 micro Bitcoin at 4. So you'll see that pop up right there. There's 13. I should be popping up about right now. There's my order. Nope, my order's not in. So we're going to go at 4. It should be in. I have no balance left. Gosh. So there's the 4 right there. I should be filled. I bought it. So I bought it at 4. Cool, yeah, that's my order. 38,309 at 4. Now I'm going to sell some more Snow Gem that I just got in the dashboard from mining. See, I'm mining the Snow Gem. I sent out 83 to buy that. Now I got in another 4. So I got this. I'm going to go into my addresses. My dashboard. I'm going to send Max Snow Gem. Send. Success. So now that right there will show up in about 10 minutes right here. The Snow Gem under XSG. So that's where I just sent it right here. So selling the Snow Gem, buying the micro Bitcoin. Telling you, you gotta have eyes all over the place when you're doing this stuff, you know? That's how I do good. I got those, you know, I got those multiple eyes I'm talking about. I feel better now. Yo, where's this guy? Let me see this. Rogerson, he's a new guy on YouTube. Yo, Adley, I watch you on Ross's shit, bro. You love him. I see everything, dude. Adley's a real cheer, I see everything, Adley. You're a real cheer guy. You know? Real cheer guy. What's your MO? What's your method of operation? What's your real game? Let me show you a little bit of rail grind. Look at that Bitcoin diamond making a move. See, folks, I'm on all the good crypto. Yep, see? I told you. You want to see? Look, I watch Ross all the time. You love him. I'll show you. Right here. This is when you were telling him this guy on YouTube's bashing your shit and trashing your name. And he was like, yeah, don't worry. I got the hammer down on this guy. Don't worry about it. And then you said something else up right in here a couple of minutes earlier. I see everything right here. I love you, Ross. I'm like, you motherfucker, dude. Look at you two-faced bastard. Loving Ross's ass and shit and then coming to my room with Bobo Snare. See? I see everything, dude. See? I see everything. See? And I see the guy that's trashing him. Guy's got a good fucking trash going on Ross, bro. Because Ross is a front runner. He's called like the best stock trader right here. Bashed Ross and shit real bad. Right here. He doesn't hate at all. I didn't say, who said Ross hates? I never said Ross. I said this guy is hating Ross. Right here. Ross just front runs and rips people off. It's okay. Everybody's entitled to their own strategy and shit. And I don't bash. I just show the, I'll just take the, I'll just unveil the truth a little bit. Where is it? I have an email from him. His name is beststockstrategy.com. Oh, look who's playing on his ad. I'm the best guy option. Look at that. Unbelievable. Right here, this guy, David Jaffe. Right here. Maybe he took it down. Here, warrior trading is a scam. So he goes on to talk about Ross and this, and he has students that are this and that about Ross, and this and Ross, and that and Ross, and this and Ross. Well, I only call out fact. Okay? Let me show you fact, boys and girls. See this? $22,000 in an hour? Watch. Great, Ross. Let's show you how you front run everyone. The stock is called INPX. And the reason is I picked it in my MOJO Day Trade room, but I didn't trade it because of the volume was low and I didn't want to snake everybody. But if I was a front runner, it was a great opportunity to front run and get in. I'll show you. So you could see INPX right here. He made $20,597 on INPX. Okay. Let's go on to the MOJO Day Trade room that same morning and look at INPX. And let's see how Ross made $20,000 on the expense of thousands of traders. Now, I'm not saying, I'm just showing you fact. Watch. INPX. So it happened to be right here on this halt. Let's see if I can zoom in. Okay, I could show you. Let's see here if I could zoom in on a certain area. Yeah, I can. All right, watch. So this is how Ross made $22,000. Stock market opened at 9:30. And first of all, it's a little bit of luck that it freaking halted and it opened on the upside. So I'll call a spade right there. What's up, Bramy? Now, let's take a little investigation, shall we? In order to make $20,000, you have to have 10 to 20,000 shares. So he has 3 moderators in the room. They each did 10 to 20,000. So let's say the group of them did, and all the other first people that got in got 100,000 shares, front running the room, and Ross was first. All right, so that's 100,000 right there. And this is where he made his money. He sold right there. And these are only 5-minute bars. So as soon as it halted and opened up, if he didn't sell, he got smacked. Watch. The first bar right here is 86,000 shares. And INPX, let's jump on over there, shall we? On Wednesday, right here, I said there's news on it. Let's check out the INPX. Wild. I saw you call it yesterday in after hours. I'm the king because I called it in after hours yesterday. And here it is, INPX for the halt on 302,000 shares. I got a screenshot of it. So this is proof right here that you didn't have no volume. Whoops. So we were in it a little bit, but, you know, nothing big. Because the volume right here, when we saw it, was low. That's when I saw it. So I mentioned it right here. And what's his name probably said, damn, you know, it's traded low volume. If I buy some, it's got a low float. That shit could rocket up. And then I'll sell it when it opens up like it did right there. Okay. It halted trading. I'm the king of the halts because I was trading and I called it. And then he went in and fucking did it and halted it. Okay? And that's what happened. I was trading Able and made $2,000. We were trading Able. I had to say no way on INPX because of the volume. Right here, news on INPX. Great pick. It halted again. And then I kicked someone out of the room, and that's what we did. So, and you could see I didn't trade it because it didn't have the volume, and I didn't want to front run the room and take my profit off the room. And you could see right here, it got in. So you got in right here on 62,000 shares. So that's him. It's only traded 62,000. That's him and his goonies. Then his room comes in and buys him out right here. And quick, if you don't get out, it goes right back down to 550, and look where it goes to. It goes to destruction. My screen's all messed up. Right here. So it went from the top on that move, and you got straight down, sucked out at 446 and from $7. So yeah, I made 20 grand, but everybody else got left holding the bag, and they're still holding the bag. So there's your fucking hero. You know, I just know what it is. Go look at his video, see how much he made. In order to make that much money, you got to have some nice size. He had nice size with his goons in there, and he freaking made the score, bro. Called front running. Now this is what I did with Abel. Instead, I did a rail grind. I try to maximize my gains on Abel. Doing a rail grind. See, there's the INPX, man. Just don't. If the stock's trading 3 million, yeah, but not 300,000. Can't do it, dudes. And that's proof in the pudding right there. So Abel, I'm unrealized 1,200 going into rail grind. I use the Dosh Trader platform. So I have right here 5,000 shares going up into rail grind on Abel. And I'll show you a rail grinder. So you'll see a couple of rail grinds coming right here. Yeah, it's no secret he used his room to grow a $500 account to freaking couple hundred grand pretty safely and securely. It's pretty no fuck, you know. It's a secret supposedly. If that's what you got to do, that's what you got to do, man. So here's rail grind right here on any, A-N-Y. What I want to do is I want to hop up on my snowboard right up in here as the stochastics come up into this 80% and it rides the rail all the way across. This thing can really just keep on going. It maximizes my profits. And I'm able to stay in a trade for an unrealized gain for a pretty long period of time. I'll show you a couple others. DGAS right there. Beautiful day on DGAS. Made 8 grand that day. So here's another rail grind right here. This is on Twitter right here. You took it up for the trade, which we did down there on this right here. And then it went up into rail grind, and it stayed up right in this rail grind all the way up in here, which you could take a really nice trade alongside, getting up on the snowboard and really riding that rail. Here's another one on JNUG, riding the rail grind right here, really riding that thing up for an extended gain. That's how you do it, keeping my people in for a really long period of time. Amazing trade on JNUG right there. I'm selling right here on the ask at 719 right there. Selling, sold, 719. I'm showing everyone in the room where to sell, where to buy. There it is again, the rail grind, which we're in. I'm going to stay in that rail grind. There's 709 selling right there, 5,000. See, we bought it right here on the third bar down. For the move up right there, that's where we bought it. I got JNUG 20,000 up 600, but an unrealized $1,800 on the trade. And here's the start of the rail grind right here on JNUG, which we just did on Friday into the Shining trade play. And here is the start of that JNUG where we entered right here for that move I just showed you, which it did exactly. So you come in here, this is where we made the entry on the first bar, and we got into the chairlift, and the chairlift right here took us up the mountain. Right up here, and we got off and started skiing and rail grinding across that bar. Stock's above 7 now, and now it's at 707, still up in the rail grind. Still up in the rail grind at 715. Still up in the rail grind at 719. Now I may switch from the 5-minute to the 15-minute chart and continue the rail grind on another quarter of the position for as long as I can, like I'm doing right up here on Twitter and these other ones. Do a search for a rail grind and show you another. Because I'm a real deal trader, and you know, I'm looking this for the longevity. I've been doing this for 25 years, not for 3 years. So here's rail grind right here. Rail grind, super rail grind. Let's look at that one. UVXY, super rail grind right here. So you could see it up in rail grind in that circle, and the stock went from 56 to 58.60 in the rail grind. It's no secret, Adley, he says. It's no secret. He basically used his room to kind of... Well, that's a contradiction because you are a lover of him, which I showed you on the video, and you're a cheerleader, and now you're basically two-faced, and he could see that, oh, Adley is basically knows that and admits that I front-run the room, and I'm kind of like a fucking abuser, so... Dude, I watched him when he first started. He used to forage for nuts in the woods to keep and store food for the winter and shit. I remember when he made his first video because he took my freaking course and my shit in my room, copied my webinars, put a lot of money into marketing. I didn't see anything following letting emotions. Here's another rail grind on Gassel. Look at that rail grind on Gassel moving up. So many of them. Incredible rail grind right here last Monday on UVXY. Look at this rail grind. We started here at 55, kept it up in the rail grind to 59, a 4-point move on UVXY right there in the rail grind. That was an awesome one. Rail grind won't stop last Tuesday right here on UV at 64.10 from 63 to 64.10. 64.29, I wonder who that is. That's Mojo selling right there. Able rail grind right here. It's time to enter the rail grind with the Hulk. Beautiful. Killed it today on Able. DGAS 91, 92, 90, 96. Able bought at 5.99, sold 6.19. Beautiful. Made 22,000 this day, 19,000 on DGAS. DGAS, the big hitter. And that's the rail grind. I constantly do it in the room. I got 12 more coins to send over. Send. Success. Let's go take a look, see if I got any of these coins. All right, let's refresh. Nope. See if MBC's 3 by 4. I'm going to buy that. I'm going to bid for some 3. I got 801,000 MBC there. And from mining, I have another 94,585 from mining. Snow gem I'm mining right here. Got some snow gem. These are my miners working on snow gem right here. I'm mining Aeon right now on the Luxor exchange. Aeon at 13 cents. I sold it at 40. So Aeon I'm mining right here on the Luxor. This is me. I'm getting paid. I got 8 workers on Aeon. Getting paid some Aeon right here. An hour every. Getting paid some Aeon. Let's check out the Aeon wallet. Here's the Aeon. Oh, I got 64 Aeon right now in the wallet. So I could send this Aeon over to Binance and sell it. And buy some micro Bitcoin. Nice, right? Let's see what Coinbase is doing with my buy on Bitcoin. Ooh, nice. It came down a little bit to 4,000 again. But I'll show you right here my buy on Bitcoin. I ain't showing you how much I bought. That ain't none of your business. But here's my buys, boys. Let's see, bought Bitcoin. My buy. 37. It's one of them. Not giving me my thing. Here we go. Bought Bitcoin. So I bought some Bitcoin right there as one of the buys. All right. So bought, added, and now it's worth that. It's over 4,000 now. Going over 4. See if I got any of that. Ooh, I got some coin in. I got some snow gem, so I'm gonna sell some snow gem right here at the market. Sell, done. So I sold that. Now I'm gonna come over to MBC. I'm gonna buy. This is 15 people here at 3. I'm gonna buy some at 3. Another 30,757 at 3. Now my order down there. Maybe I should just buy the 4s. I don't think 3 is gonna get done because I could sell it at 6 easy. I know it's going back to 6 and 7. That's a big gain. I'll leave it in for a little bit. Let me just look at the chart. I don't want the daily. No. Okay. Here we go. Adley's back on. He says, I'm a two-faced blank. What? How? Cheerleader? People are stupid enough to buy low-volume stocks? No. I think what he's kind of smart that he front runs the room and takes advantage of his subscribers by telling them to go and buy the stock after he's already purchased it with his 3 other moderators and maybe even yourself. And you think he's kind of smart? If you can't read the volume, you deserve to have your money taken from you like the people in Ross's chat room? Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Really? Where's Bobo Snare? He doesn't deserve, he don't even be in front of that shit, dude. I'm a liar because Bobo Snare's not here. Well, Adley, you can go join. I got you, dude. I'm blocking you. See ya. I removed you. Hide user on the channel. Done. See? Now you're done. Now you can just go cheer for him. Because your attitude, by him justifying him doing what he does to steal money from people and be a huge guy and create fake reviews and do what he does is unacceptable. And for you to sit there and admit it and be his cheerleader and call me a liar because my dog isn't here is utterly proves that you are like a punk and a kid and not a mature adult. Amazing. Amazing. So here's a pool that I'm on called Subscriber Pool. They have a lot of nice coins. Blue MN is new. As soon as I got on the micro Bitcoin, they put it on as hot. It went from 365 to 399 miners. But it's 582 gigahash, which is one of their highest besides Raven coin. You sort by hash rate. You got Raven, 397 on Raven with 19 miners, but the bulk of the miners were on micro Bitcoin. 341 miners on the micro Bitcoin. Traded at 3. Still got my order in. I make any more, yeah, another 4 coins. Send some more coins over. I'm going to send some Aeon over to Binance so I could sell it. No, I'm not going to sell the Aeon. I think Aeon's going up. I'm holding Aeon. That's amazing what happened with that Adderley guy. That's a shame, dude. Fucking shame. Yo, Dave Jaffe, you watch this video tonight. That's how you call somebody out with true fact, man. Showing it like on this INPX. And I got 25,000 examples of him doing this. All in my record books. Just in case he ever decides to put the hammer down on Mojo, I got a whole onslaught of proof like this with proof timestamps that he can go back to his statements and the freaking people can really look to see how he front run the room. Because it's right there. One thing I said I'd never do. Front running, a practice by where market makers or people who run a chat room of dealing on advanced information provided by themselves because they're going to buy a whole boatload of shares or by their brokers before their clients are given the information. Front running, also known as tailgating, is prohibited practice of entering a trade, derivative, or security swap to capitalize on advanced non-public knowledge of a large pending transaction that will influence the price of the underlying security. Right here. Let's see if there's an example. No, no comics on it. I did one on this one, I remember. Cryptocurrency. Alan was the guy right here. I did a comic on that. I remember that when I changed it. I'll show you a good comic. Oh, here's a Santa one. Santa's list is now done of all the Mojo. Santa's list is now done. Of all the newsletters we tested, Mojo Swing Trading is the best. Pro Trader Mike and Mojo traders get anything they want this year. Merry Christmas 2014. Cool, dudes. 4 years ago I did that one, bro. How cool is that? This is Alan. Still with me. That's Alan's car. Advice, Mojo stock is in. Gives advice. Where's the other one? Not my fault, his fault. Funny. Got another good one. I'm looking for this one comic with the people in the room. The old guy and this guy. There's a cool one. Flash. Another comic. Where's that one comic? Here it is. You might find it. You're $1 million stock trader? Cool. I'm Mark Cuban. I own my own sports team and trade penny stocks. What's a good penny stock you have for me? Mom's truck stops. There's Ross right there. And there's the gullible douchebag. He thinks he's Mark Cuban. And there's the $1 million stock trader. You're $1 million trader? Cool. Well, I'm Mark Cuban. I own my own sports team and trade penny stocks too. What's a good penny stock you have for me? Get any more XSG in? Nope, not yet. But I'm going to send over. No, I'm not going to send the Aeon over. Can you explain the rail grind for us? I already did. You can definitely re-watch the video. I take it up into 80% above the stochastics into rail grind. And I ride out the profit maximizer. I teach it in my courses from Mojo University. Love to have you aboard. I'll show you my learning board on that if you wouldn't mind. It's called a rail grind. R-A-L. Right here. So this is called a rail grind right here. Once the trade gets above the second green bar, see it's above the stochastic, right above that pink line I made, that's the 80% stochastics. Once it gets above that in your trade, you stay in half the position for as long as you can, and you ride it above that 80%. And you can see, look at all these jumps. Jump number 1, come down right here. Look, you could see. So I go right here I get on the chairlift. I take it straight up. I do a backside 360 right here. I come down, front side 180. Come down, back tail grab. Come down, back flip. Come down, tail grab. Back down, ride the rail. Look how many tricks I did. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tricks on top of the tabletop. Just like this, guys. And I rode this stock right here from $4 into $5 by doing that. And that's how you can maximize the trade. You got it, Rogerson, 918. Hook you up, baby. Oh, amazing. Can't believe that guy said he's stupid enough to freaking do that. It's unbelievable. Look at that. Total admitted right there. He's basically using his room to freaking front run. People with a brain can see he uses his room to his advantage, but they're stupid. And you're his freaking cheerleader every day, dude. I'm a two-faced? Yeah, because I show you cheerleading. I'm telling you how much you love him, dude. Just in that video I did, showed you just yesterday. If you can't read the volume, you deserve bullshit. People are going to him to trust and to has him as a coach and a mentor so they can he can make the decision to say, look, with the volume, if we buy right now, we've got 1,000 people and probably 200 of them are going to buy more than 1,000 shares. So I'm going to need to know that there's going to be 200,000 liquidity in and out, 400,000 total shares in the next 15 minutes for my room to safely come in and out of this trade. And if anything else is of that, it's freaking for your own benefit and not for the benefit of the others. Bullshit. Pissed about that. What's up, Ramey? What's up, Bill? UV's going to 100 maybe this week. What do you think? Think it breaks out above the 72.50 and goes to 100. Ramey, I played golf today, dude. I played with this guy. He had a smoking hottie girlfriend with him, and he was a champ, dude. Thought he was the baddest, like, you know, with his camera, and like on the first hole, he's like, they never played there, so they're like, oh, I should have bought a book, and he's like plotting out like he's gonna freaking shoot under par, and he's like, I had the worst round and I've ever had, and I'm gonna throw my club in the water. I'm like, you better not. He was really just screwing it up. I could tell he was a really good athlete in golf, or he just was trying too hard or something like that. His girl did good, he didn't. And I was just hitting these I hit one drive at Okehele, number 15. It was 330 yards, dude. High blasting apex draw that was just a monster freaking shot, dude. I mean, on my first hole, I hit it 3 feet from the pin, 118. I hit an A wedge, 122, and stuck it because there was a little light breeze, and I stuck it 3 feet, but the break on it was tremendous, and I missed the break for the birdie on number 1. See, I had INPX right there on my screen because I wanted to pick up the hurt from people. See, I knew it's going to pop back up. So all these people got sucked out right there. See that? They lost 53,000 shares on 80-cent auto close right there. Shameful. Fucking shameful. My driving is... I hit one bad drive, but then I recovered with a 5-wood that I crushed 250. Big ball apex draw. 250 with a 5-wood, dude, from the deck. I played sick, dude. Really, really happy with the way I struck the ball. All right, there's nothing else really happening. Bitcoin's 3300, 3961 again. All right, I'm holding on. I'm into trading it. Let's see if I got any XSG. Nope, no XSG yet came in. Look at MBC. I didn't get that 3. How many shares are on the ask? 3 million. How many on the bid? 38 million. I better buy that 4. I ain't gonna get filled on that. I could buy 23,068 at 4. Do it. Done. Bought it. 24,068. Where is it? There it is. 23,068. I just bought it. See what shares are going off at 3, 19, 17. They ain't getting shit. See, the selling balance is going to switch, and I'm going to make a lot of cash. I got 825,000 MBC right here. And I have another 96,000 right here. I'm going to send over. So in case it spikes, I could sell it. I'll show you how you do that too. So you come into into your menu and you go micro Bitcoin. I'm going to deposit right here. Only send micro Bitcoin to sending to any may cause your loss of your deposit. See what it says? Let me see what it is. Oh, and it says show me the deposit address. Boom. I copy the address. Copy the address, and now I go into the wallet, and I go send, enter address, amount, push that. How many do I have? 96,000. But I'll send 96,000, and I'll hit send. So I got the address in, 96,000. Hold on, let me just make sure. Look one more time at the address. BHP. That's what it says, BHP. So I'll send fee is one of those. So I'll send 96,200. And that's 7. I'll send 205. Send. You are one step away from sending 9,000 yes. Send it. Generating transaction. Boom. Done. Success. I'll take this and I'll copy that now just as a copy of my receipt. And that's it. So that's done. I should have nothing in the wallet. All right, so once that gets sent, I'll have another 96,000 in the kitty. Here's what it's doing. It's already at, oh, this is Bitcoin. CLO. Another one I was looking at, but I'm not doing that. Global Poker's up. I'll get that added on, another 100,000 onto that. Catch you tomorrow. I'm out of here too. Yes, crypto is trading the same system as my stocks. However, it's over days and not minutes. Crypto is a longer period of time. The other guy couldn't believe how easy I was swinging and hitting him so far. He was swinging out of his shoes. Yep. Yeah. Got it, Chris. Looking forward. Looking at the Benjamins. Got another guy that came in, guys. Look, I think it's Adley again. He says, you're in the wrong. What he says. Someone came in, God, and said, you're in the wrong. It's people's fault for not knowing how to trade. They think they can come in this market thinking they can make money by following Ross's alerts. See, that's Adley again. You got a lot of nerve. Or that is Ross right there. God. Let's see when he subscribed. See, that's bullshit. He just came in and did that. I'm not in the wrong, dude. If you think that's you want to stick up for Ross for front running, go ahead. You're entitled to your own opinion. Absolutely you are. Hope you're doing very well. Hope you do this for 30 years. Mm-hmm. No, he didn't just join. God. People have to... Good. I'm glad. Well, some people rely that are beginners on other people's guidance that preach mentorship, coaching, and transparency in order to provide the most conducive, level playing ground for traders that come to their service for longevity. That's what I preach, and I seem to be able to do that. Others have a little bit of problem. If you say it's their fault, then it's their fault. Good job, God. I disagree with you. And if you combat me and rub elbows with me and keep on saying that it's okay to steal, then I'm going to block you from my room and block you from the chat. He teaches volume. No, he teaches 3 chart patterns. The bull flag. I've seen every one of his webinars. He doesn't teach volume, dude. Good. Well, let's go to his thing. You want to say? Because you probably are him right now. Let's see. You don't want me to break out my stuff. Just telling you. But we'll take a look. He has 300,000 subscribers. Haha, and is good. If that's what happened with INPX? What happened with INPX with that trade then? What happened? Cat got your tongue on that one, huh? No volume on INPX. See what we got here. Yeah, if you think people have to do their own due diligence not to get front run by a day trade room that they join, good for you. Great for you, dude. Love the way you think. And here's another one where he talks right here about this trade that he does and a specific strategy, how he takes it through the even number at 898, which is my Heinz trade play. You want to see some other ones that he copied? I have thousands of them. Here's another front run he did on resin, R-E-S-N, on May 4th of 2016. I have about 200 of these if you want to go through them. Okay? So if you want to come and fuck around with the Mojo, look what I have. I have 200 of these that go back over the years. Okay? Here's your trade on May 4th at 9:34 a.m. front running RESN right there. You're in, you call it out to the room buys you right there, no fucking volume, thing crashes right there, okay? And by the time it's over here, it's traded 600,000. It's already over. All your people lost all their shit right there. You bought it right here. You made the alert right here. They bought you out right here. It fucking crashed right there. And they got auto closed right there. Mojo came in for the suck out and took it right back up. You want to see 50 other ones? You want to see some more? You want to see some more? You want to see how many more do you want to see? I want to see another one. Here's another one. Ross, I have documented proof right here. So here's Ross right here. You don't fuck around with me, boys. Ross. This date right here, he made $3,394 on resin. That was the trade. Lone Wolf reports right here at 9:26 a.m. Right, a 16.9% stake. Check out his specials. Here's the freaking trade. There it is. Boom. Everything, dude. I have it all documented. Let's see another one. I have a lot of them. See? Look how many I have. Holy shit. I got a lot of them. I just got to find out which ones are the worst. It doesn't matter. He never said, it doesn't make a difference. People have to do their own due diligence, dude. They can't be like sheep following a fucking alert. Do your own due diligence. People should know what volume is and what all the shit is. No, I'll show you 50 more of them. See, you just changed your tune. Let me show you 50 more front runs that he did. I got a whole folder on it. Hold on a second. Here we go. Right here. So fucking front run again on this stock right here. And he used it in his damn fucking webinar. I went back and checked it. See this volume right here at 9:30? Right here, he did the same exact thing as INPX and that RESN. He buys it right here. And they get in, and then he alerts it to his room. They come in on this bar and buy it, and then they fucking get crushed at 9:30. It's his typical fucking pattern, dude. And there he is. So, dude, I got fucking hundreds of them, bro. No, it's not their fault. It's called front running, bro. He says I'm longest and that's it. And people chase it like more. But he already bought it first. It's a conflict of interest. And I have 100 examples of it. Yep. Dude, that's nothing. I could show you shit, dude. I'm prepared. He doesn't make them do anything. No, of course not. Keep on defending yourself, God. Keep on defending yourself, bro. If you want to justify it, then you can justify it to yourself. But it sounds to me and everybody else watching out there that it's the definition of front running with the examples that I've shown. So, he's just a bag of goodies. Hey, if you could sleep good at night doing that, dude, when everyone else is losing their hard-earned dollars and coming at you because you don't got a freaking real service that can make people money, it's your own problem, man. You got to keep on putting marketing dollars into it to support it and keep the volume up there. Ooh, I got the MBC and I got 921,000 now. It just came in. See that? I got that MBC. Let's see if I got the XSG. Sell some. Yep, got in that XSG right there, 4 of them. Boom. Sold. Sold the XSG. Now I can buy some more micro Bitcoin. And I could send over some more XSG too. How many I got? I got 22 to send over now. Nice little 22. Let's send some coins. Max, 22, send. Done. Success. Now that shit'll come over too. Now I'll go buy some more micro Bitcoin. What do I got? 4? Buy another 900 Bitcoin. See, I'm trading 4 Snow Gem for 900 micro Bitcoin. Let's buy it. Done. Now I got 922,207. Boom. Amazing. This guy's still going. Guess what, dude? He doesn't have a gun in front of their faces, force them. Keep on trying to justify. God, you're done. See ya. Remove. Done. Hide user on the channel. Done. Piece of shit, dude. You and that fucking other guy. Just a piece of shit. Justifying that fucking bear. More proof in the pudding. More proof in the pudding. Amazing. Let's see who comes in next. Amazing, Chris. Amazing, huh? Everyone screws everyone over and fucking trying to get ahead on the rest because they're all cheap asses. Small people are dishonest, dude. Once he told me he was foraging nuts in the woods and shit and was too cheap to go to the grocery store and shit because he wasn't making a lot of money and had to forage and fucking shit. I knew. Fucking dishonest. No one fucking acts like that and fucking dishonest. Micro Bitcoin's coming back. Look at the spike bar on micro Bitcoin off the bottom right here. Look at that. Beautiful. Got to get some more micro Bitcoin. Let me see what Coinbase is. 39.61 Bitcoin. Ooh. Got another 6. All right. I guess we'll be ready to go tomorrow. What we got going on. Micro Bitcoin be at 7 tomorrow. Be up 200%. Be like, damn, he's good. Nope, no more XSG in there. So I'm doing good on that. And this is the Stex exchange I'm on, guys. Stex, S-T-E-X. Got the Snow Gem. And the micro Bitcoin. It's got Suka. Another coin that I mine right here called Suka. See, Suka coin? Real nice. S-U-K-A. It's a coin especially for GPU mining. It's ASIC resistant. Suka coin. I don't got none in here, but that's what Suka is. All right, so that's cool. Doing the MOJO show right here. MOJO show. See what happens to it now. MBTC 1125. Happy holidays, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.